Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add loop text animations to your videos in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just open up your CapCut project, then select the text where you would like to add the loop text animation, and then tap on the animation button, which is going to open up the style option. And here you can basically scroll down and select the third option, which is loop. And here you will find all the different loop animation options. Obviously, some of these are only for pro users, but most of it is, probably not most of it, but there are lots and lots of free to use options as well. So you just basically select the one that you prefer and you can add it to your video. There are lots of interesting ones, so feel free to research this option and find the ones that fit your video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation.